right, another day, another dumpster. Fellas, how we looking in this?
It smells like fish. I swear, dude, there's somebody in that dumpster.
No, there's not. Where? You're pranking me. Dude, what are you talking about? Holy shit! Alright fam, I know you guys think we're dumpster diving, but the point of this video is not actually dumpster diving. My good friend Boomer is coming over later. Oh Jesus! Oh God! Oh God! No! Help me!
Oh no, he's dead.
I get give me kiss. I get give me kiss, but that's another kind of give me kiss. Bro, I miss you too, but not like that. Okay, I just rubbing it in. Anyways, I got my boy Omar and my boy Rein here and my friend Chelsea. And we're gonna go prank our friend Boomer. This is gonna be crazy. What is he gonna know? He's trying to de-pants me. Alright. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go prank our friend Boomer, and it should be fun. I'll see you guys later. Jeez, stop! All right, another day, another dumpster. Fellas, how we looking in this?
It smells like fish.
Yummy.
There's a lot of coat hangers in there. Look at all those hangers.
Bro, that stinks, bro. You're right. It does smell like fish.
Who had fish last night? Oh my God.
Fish taco night.
Oh, look at all this that they threw away. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Oh, the backboards? They hang them up? Yeah, these are expensive, yeah. People use these, look. They put them in their garages and stuff at home, and they hang stuff. Like, they're very useful, actually. A lot of people could probably use these. Let me know in the comments down below. Is that something you would use at your house? Just curious. Would you have taken it, or would you have left it? Let me know.
Just for a little bit more fun.
You just like, oh my God.
When you've used enough fake blood in your life.
Oh my God. The employees are gonna come out here and think something really happened. They're gonna be like, what is that?
And then we put you in a couple bags.
Oh, great.
Covered in fake blood. Now I gotta put her in a couple giant garbage bags. Thank God you're a little shorter than, you know.
Then you thought?
Yeah, well, I'd never seen you except for like 5 seconds on a video before, you know, so no offense, you know. Because she's a little bit shorter, it'll make it a little easier to put her in 2 giant construction bags. Her face will not be covered with the bags, clearly, because I don't want to kill the poor girl for no reason. Then this prank would go horribly wrong.
It was like, screw you, you ain't gonna keep me out of your dumpster.
Oh, no. We didn't do it.
F the police. They must throw away some good stuff in this dumpster.
Yeah, maybe.
Jump on that other side.
Boxes.
Just boxes.
Boxes. Man, that's a lot of everybody just get all their shipments in or what?
I don't
know.
have chickens anymore.
Bro.
I left my knife in the.
Look at this.
You want to go egging?
Look at this. These are full eggs.
Bro, you want to go egging?
Probably.
Is there anybody you don't like or deserves to be egged? Like,
oh yeah.
We haven't egged somebody. No, it's a prank. We can go prank somebody's house.
Dude, look at this. Hey,
Oh, it is hollow.
open this.
Yes, and that's. Here, you pull it from there.
Bro, this is full of eggs. Look at that.
Wow.
Those are all full.
We're not egging around here.
Oh God. On that note. Yo fam, we are at Ulta Booty right now. We found something, guys. We found something.
Oh, this is all hairdressing stuff.
Still.
Yeah, tell me that's a Halloween prop.
What? What's a Halloween prop?
What the hell is that?
What is what?
I swear, dude, there's somebody in that dumpster.
No, there's not, dude. You're messing with me.
Is that a Halloween prop?
Dude, he's messing with me. I know it.
No. Dude, I'm not.
No,
Bro, I guarantee he's messing with me. Watch.
Dude, he's not.
Dude, he is messing with me. Bro, you guys are pranking me, bro. You guys are pranking me. Where? You're pranking me. What are you talking about? Holy sh**.
I don't even know.
Where are we at?
We're by Ulta Beauty.
You know, Ulta Beauty, no, shop Ulta Beauty.
Dude, that's not a Halloween prop, is it?
Bro, seriously.
Go look, bro. Come, I'm scared.
I think there's a person in the dumpster, like an actual person.
It's a girl. It's a woman. I don't know if it's real or not. What if it's fake though?
No, it's not fake. I'm being no.
Somebody just put it. Dude, look, that's all blood right there. That's all blood.
No, they're saying it looks real.
Oh my God.
Can we? She wants us to verify if it's real.
We can't.
Bro, we can.
Just go look.
Hold on, well, he's going to look. I don't know.
Oh my God, it feels real. Oh my God, that feels real.
Oh my gosh, dude.
What's the name of the place? What is this city?
I don't know. Kirkland's. Kirkland's.
We're behind Kirkland.
Dude, we just found a dead body in the dumpster.
We're Brooksville.
Brooksville. Next to Taco Bell. Next to Ultra Beauty Store. And Kirkland.
Does that feel
Dude,
real?
she's not breathing. No, this is a person. This is a girl.
Is this a prank?
Omar, are you? No, I'm talking to 911. If this is a
all
prank,
right,
tell
I'm
me
just
now. I'm
making
not gonna
sure.
get in trouble. Omar, is this a prank?
No, it's not. Why would I don't? Who is that?
It's not a prank, man. It's for real.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, we do dumpster dive videos for YouTube, and we're actually out here filming, and we just come up with fun.
I thought it was a Halloween prop.
So did I. And it's in...
They said the officers are on their way.
Alright.
Okay, how long till we be here?
Are they breathing?
We'll wave them down. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, her neck is slit. Her neck is slit.
I'm freaking out, I'm sorry. Why is this shit happening? No, don't record anymore, guys.
No, I'm gonna record it. I might not use it, but I'm gonna record it. Guys, I had to call 911. The police are on their way right now. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this.
That girl's neck is slit.
I don't believe this. Like I'm probably not gonna use this, but I gotta get a better look. Oh my God! Oh my God, guys! Oh my God!
Dude, is this really happening? This is really happening.
Bro, let's get our hands together. Let's just say a prayer really quick. Come here. Oh my God! Hold my hand, dude. Let's say a prayer. Hold his hand.
Seriously.
Dear Lord, I'm so sorry. Thank you for this day, for blessing us. I'm so sorry for that person in there, and I'm so sorry for pranking Boomer.
I knew it.
Bro, we sold it though. You knew it, and we sold it still. Hey, that's my friend Chelsea. Remember I was telling about a girl? She's my friend. That's her right there. Hold on, I'll help you out. I got you. Here, just grab my. Oh God, no! Oh, this is my new shirt. No, bro! Omar just bought me this shirt.
She's covered in it too.
Bro, I didn't say put blood. They're gonna really think something really happened here. Boomy, how you doing, buddy? I'm sorry, Boomer.
Bro, that's
I
been
wasn't
there the
even-
whole time recording you.
First time I pranked.
No.
Ridiculous, dude.
He wanted to do a clown again. I'm like, don't do a clown again, and he won't fall for that one.
He was calling 911 out to stop him. Oh, bro, you were calling the real 911?
No. Oh, he was. Yeah, he tried to call 911. I took over. Hey, how was my fake 911 call, by the way? I thought it was pretty good. Oh my God. All right, where?
Did I really look good though? I tried so hard.
Oh no, it was great. It was great. All right, yeah. I don't. Omar just bought me this shirt today. I was so happy. Hopefully, fake blood comes out. Does fake blood come out? Fake blood does come out. Never mind. Fake blood, I'm sure comes out because they wouldn't have fake blood that stains, right?
I had a feeling too.
Chelsea,
Alright, so I had a feeling
my friend
that
Chelsea Luna. If you didn't know her, good job. High five her.
Oh, you're covered in blood.
I know. That's what do you think I was just freaking out
I
about?
had a feeling. You notice I wasn't like freaking out that much, right?
No, you were good. I thought you would have lost it, but I think in the back of your mind you thought it was a prank. But we made it so believable that I believe.
And I realized, shit, I left the pile of fake blood right there.
Oh,
I ran out,
Oh,
and you were
jeez.
right there.
Hey, no.
You know what's crazy about this?
Wait, do you have blood all over you?
There's like,
They walked up on
Oh my gosh, good to see you.
too late now.
That was weird, guys. All of a sudden, my camera just turned off. I've never had that happen. What the fuck? I saw that. Holy crap, no! Hey!
Woo! The sunrise, late nights, wishing that this would be over. Cold eyes, won't be getting any closer. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we'd never be me.